Stop counting calories. If you're trying to lose weight but nothing seems to work, this is exactly what you're doing wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose weight in a healthy, realistic, and sustainable way without counting calories. This guide is for anyone struggling with excess weight, whether this is your first attempt or you've tried many times before. If you're tired of dieting, tired of regaining weight, and want results you can actually maintain, this video is for you. You don't need to change everything overnight. The goal is to make small, smart changes that you can stick with long-term. Let's get started. The most important step is taking action now. Many people wait for the perfect moment. Next Monday, next month, after the holidays. That moment rarely comes. Real change starts the day you decide to do something different. Set a realistic goal. Slow, steady weight loss works best. For most people, about 4 or 5 pounds per month is a reasonable pace, but progress will always vary from person to person. Consistency matters more than speed. Copy-paste meal plans and miracle diets usually don't work. Diets should be personalized. What helps one person lose weight may not work for someone else and can even backfire. Extreme low-calorie diets often lead to short-term results and long-term frustration. Instead of chasing quick fixes, focus on building habits you can maintain for years, not weeks. One of the easiest ways to improve your diet is reducing foods that provide calories but little nutrition. This includes candy, cookies, pastries, sugary drinks and sodas, sweetened coffee drinks, chips, crackers, and salty snacks, fast food and ultra-processed meals. You don't have to eliminate everything at once. Start by cutting back gradually. Sustainable change always beats strict rules. Most people eat too many refined carbs and not enough protein. Increasing protein and healthy fats can help you feel full longer and control blood sugar levels. This naturally reduces overeating. Good protein sources include eggs and seafood, fish like salmon and sardines, lean meats and poultry, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, beans and lentils. Healthy fats include olive oil, nuts and seeds, avocado. Solid foods are generally more filling than liquids. Instead of fruit juice or smoothies, eat whole fruits and vegetables. Chewing your food slows down eating and helps your body recognize fullness. How you cook matters. Grilling, baking, steaming, or sautéing lightly is better than deep frying. Breaded and fried foods absorb a lot of oil and can double the calorie content. Replace heavy sauces with lighter options like yogurt-based dressings or fresh tomato sauces. Swap refined grains for whole grains. Whole grains contain more fiber, which helps digestion and keeps you full longer. Examples: whole grain bread instead of white bread, brown rice instead of white rice, whole grain pasta instead of regular pasta. Restaurant meals are usually high in calories, fat, and sodium, and portions are often oversized. Cooking at home gives you control over ingredients and portion sizes, which makes weight loss much easier. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Drinking water regularly helps reduce calorie intake by replacing sugary drinks. Aim for about 8 cups per day, more if you're active. Choose a consistent meal schedule that works for you. For many people, 3 meals a day is enough. Constant snacking often leads to excess calories without real hunger. If you need a snack, choose protein over sugar. Avoid eating while watching TV or scrolling on your phone. Mindful eating helps you recognize fullness and prevents overeating. Poor sleep increases hunger and cravings by disrupting hormones that control appetite. Quality sleep is an underrated but powerful tool for weight loss. Writing down your meals increases awareness and accountability. If progress stalls, a food log can help you identify problem areas. Track your weight, waist measurements, and how you feel. Progress tracking keeps you motivated and helps guide adjustments. Conditions like insulin resistance, thyroid problems, or depression can make weight loss harder. Managing these conditions with proper medical care can improve results. Make a grocery list and stick to it. Avoid shopping when hungry to reduce impulse buys. You don't need intense workouts. Daily walking, light cardio, or basic strength training can support weight loss when paired with a healthy diet. Yes, weight loss requires burning more calories than you consume. The strategies in this video help create a calorie deficit naturally, without tracking every number. Weight loss doesn't mean constant hunger. A good diet keeps you satisfied and energized. Focus on food quality, not extreme restriction. Healthy weight loss takes time. Remember, healthy weight loss isn't about starving yourself. It's about eating smarter, enjoying your food, and making sustainable choices. Small, consistent steps lead to real results over time. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos about healthy eating, disease prevention, and sustainable weight loss, please like and subscribe to Healthy Diet Explained. I'll see you in the next video.